Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet. Then go to Status and click Change Adapter Options. Once the adapters appear, right-click the Ethernet adapter and choose Properties so you can edit how your PC gets an IP. Make sure you select Internet Protocol version 4 because most local networks and routers use IPv4 addressing. Choose Properties to proceed. This is the critical doorway. Now you'll change from automatic addresses to a controlled, static configuration. Once in IPv4 properties, use the following IP address so you take full control over the Ethernet configuration. You'll enter an IP that fits your router subnet, typically 192.168.x.y, plus the correct subnet mask and the router as default gateway. This ensures packets route properly. Next, set preferred and alternate DNS values. You can use your router or a public DNS like 8 for reliability. After entering values, click OK and close, then make sure the IP doesn't conflict with another device. Once you apply the static settings, restart the adapter or open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to force the change. You'll see the assigned values with ipconfig/all. Verify by pinging the gateway and a public IP. If pings fail, make sure cables and switch ports are good. If something still misbehaves, revert to obtain an IP automatically to test DHCP. This isolates router issues. Key troubleshooting tip: check for duplicate IPs in the router's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.